Oahu real estate market hot? This is Tom Presler. I'm joining you from Coldwell Banker in Honolulu, Hawaii. Yesterday, the Honolulu Board of Realtors released the Oahu Monthly Housing Statistics Report for July 2020. Overall, the Oahu market is down from last year, but improving when comparing year-to-date numbers because the positive trends that have started the last few months are continuing. In the single-family home market, inventory is still a big issue here on Oahu. New listing levels continue to improve from the 2020 lows in April, but total active listings are still lower than normal levels of the past couple years, which were already considered consistently low levels of inventory. The current level of inventory is at 2.4 months, which is down 35% from 3.7 months just a year ago in July 2019. The demand side of the single-family market here on Oahu is improving. Pending sales and closed sales continue the positive upward trend from the lows in May of 2020. While improving, closed sales volume is still down 3% from July last year and 4.5% year to date. With continued low inventory and increasing demand, single-level homes are selling faster than last month and last year. In July 2020, median days on market was 13, compared to 20 in June 2020 and 17 in July 2019. We're seeing many properties getting multiple offers and going into escrow within the first week of listing. The low inventory and increased demand are also driving increased prices. The July median price of $815,000 is up 5.8% from June 2020, but still down 2.4% from July 2019. Year to date, the single-family median home price is off just a little over 0.5% from 2019, which is pretty good considering the circumstances. The Ewa Plain region is the most active region in the single-family home market with 89 sales, or 23% of the single-family home sales in July. An interesting note is that 53% of those were financed with VA loans. The most active price band across all Oahu single-family markets is $700,000 to $800,000. The condo market has low inventory as well. New listings continue to increase from the low point in April of this year, but still lower than the new listings in July 2019. The current inventory level for condos at 4.1 months is markedly different than the single-family home market, as closed sales volume has not recovered at the same pace. The demand side of the condo market is improving as pending sales and closed sales continue the positive upward trend from the lows in May 2020. While improving significantly over last month, closed sales volume is still down 17% from July last year and 21% year to date. We're seeing a definite difference in demand between the single-family and condo markets. Even though the demand is lower for condos, the $440,000 median price in July is still increased almost 4.5% over June 2020 and up a little over 1% when comparing year-to-date median prices. Not surprisingly, the metro region is the most active region in the Oahu condo market with 177 sales, or 40% of the condo sales in July. The most active price band across all Oahu condo markets is $400,000 to $500,000. So things seem to be looking up for the Oahu real estate market. As I mentioned last month, there are still some clouds on the horizon that will determine whether our positive trends from the last few months continue or if we return to the lows that we saw in April and May. Positive COVID-19 cases are increasing in Hawaii and many states around the nation, and our local leaders have been forced to backtrack on opening very important segments of our economy. As of today, Congress still hasn't come up with an agreement on a relief package. I hope you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy. Please feel free to reach out if you have questions about this report or if you would like assistance with any real estate needs. Thank you so much for your time and take care.